Hi, I'm here to show you how to use the Lumen pole system at the Gresada Park in Manchina Bowl, Modesto, California. So first, you start to make sure that breaker number 11 is in the on position. Then you go back to the Lumen pulse box, and if you come here and the little blue light's on up here, that means it's off. So we're going to turn that on. And I want to start with bright white light. So to our left, we have a menu of what's available and pre-programmed. So I'm going to select A1. So see how the lights are all blinking here? I'm going to select the 1. Now it's going to lock and tell me that that's there. Now one of the things that I want to be able to make sure is that I don't want it down dim, so I'm going to make sure that this select is on dim. And then if I look down here, I can see I've got my dimmer all the way up, and maybe that's too bright, so you bring it down a little bit, or maybe that's not quite what you want. You really do want it all the way up. There we go. So there you are. So now maybe I want to do a more dramatic scene, so I take one of the automated ones, and I'm going to select C4, which is a red, white, blue, very kind of patriotic sort of thing. I press the number 4 over here, and now I have that patriotic scene going on. So then when I'm done, just like we started at the beginning, we come back here and we press the off button. The system is now off. Thank you very much. Good luck operating it.